At JXY, we turn your creative designs into reality through precision manufacturing and strict quality control. We have one-stop manufacturing and processing capabilities, assisting you throughout the entire process from product development to finished product testing. Our core strengths: engineering support, with a team of over 20 experienced engineers. We provide professional DFM, design for manufacturing, and DFC, design for cost services, helping you optimize designs, control costs, and shorten lead times. Precision manufacturing. We have equipped all processing procedures with precision machining equipment, and the minimum machining accuracy can be controlled within 0.002 millimeters. Strict quality control. Certified with ISO 9001 and IATF 16949, we follow rigorous inspection standards throughout manufacturing process. Our quality assurance is supported by a full suite of inspection equipment, including CMMs, VDM, full automatic altimeters, HRC testers, and salt spray testers, etc. Seamless prototyping. Possess comprehensive process production capabilities and multi-process integration expertise, ensuring not only rapid delivery, but also ensure the quality of each process. Scalable production and assembly. From one piece to thousands, we can support your product by prototype, DV, PV, and P project step. Also, the finished good assembly capability make your one-station selection delivery ensure a fast turnaround and dependable results every time. Our capabilities: CNC machining. JXY offer full and high-precision CNC machining capabilities, including milling, turning, and drilling for both metal and plastic parts. From prototypes to complex, high-precision components, we deliver precision and repeatability. Sheet metal fabrication. We provide fast, precise sheet metal fabrication, including laser cutting, CNC punching, bending, welding, and surface treatment. From simple brackets to complex enclosures, every part is built with tight tolerances and pretty surface treatment. Injection molding. We offer complete injection molding from 60 tons to 800 tons solutions, from mold design and tooling to high-volume production. With automated equipment and quality control at every step, we ensure speed, precision, and repeatability for every run. Die casting. We deliver high-quality die-cast parts with complex shapes and tight tolerances, using a range of alloys like aluminum, zinc, and magnesium. From tooling to CNC post-machining, we ensure strength, detail, and consistent performance. JXY, your trusted partner from prototype to production. Let's build your next idea together.